Now that you've unpacked your TV and the accessories, installing the stand is a snap. Your TV's box should have included these stand components. Make sure you have all of them before you get started. You'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver. The stand feet and panel body are marked with an L and an R to help you correctly install the stand. Now you'll attach the stand feet to the panel. Depending on your TV's model and size, installing the stand feet may involve the TV being oriented vertically, but we'll be demonstrating this process on one of our smaller models. Now, with this side facing the back of the TV, slide the stand feet's tab into the slot and attach it to its appropriate side using 2 of the screws. Just repeat this for the other side. Now, with the help of a friend, move your TV into place. Be sure to support the TV from the bottom and only use your hands at the top to steady and guide the TV. Do not pinch the TV screen. If your TV is 85 inches, you'll need 4 people to move it. Once your TV is in place, slide the stand base onto the stand feet like this. Now let's get connected. First, plug in the power cable to the back of the TV panel. You'll wait to connect it to power until you've plugged in all your sources. For a seamless look, use the grooves to hide away the cable. Depending on your TV size, your panel may have protective padding on the vertical edges of the display. If so, you can remove this now. Finally, just attach your cable box, game consoles, home audio components, and other gear. Plug in your power cable, and you're all set to enjoy your new TV.